What if you could hand $1,000 to an AI and say, turn this into 10,000? Is that possible, or just science fiction? With AI's power growing daily, the line between fantasy and reality is blurring. Today, we're putting ChatGPT to the test, step by step. We'll see how it would invest $1,000. No risky day trades or crypto gambles, just proven investing principles and smart stock selection. The strategy we reveal could change how you think about building wealth. Quick disclaimer, this video is for informational purposes only. Always do your own research. Let's get started. ChatGPT's first pick? Nvidia. And it's a no-brainer. Nvidia is the backbone of the AI revolution. Think of them as the picks and shovels in today's gold rush. Their GPUs power everything from AI models to self-driving cars, and every major tech company is clamoring for their chips. This demand gives Nvidia a massive competitive edge in pricing power. But it's not just about AI. Nvidia dominates gaming with its GeForce cards, providing a stable, profitable business. They're also expanding into autonomous vehicles and 3D simulation with platforms like Drive and Omniverse. Nvidia isn't resting. They're building the future, constantly finding new markets for their tech. From an investment perspective, ChatGPT sees a company with explosive growth potential and a huge addressable market. Yes, the stock is expensive, but sometimes you pay up for quality and innovation. Nvidia is a long-term hold, not a quick trade. By putting a chunk of our $1,000 into NVDA, we're betting on the very technology making this experiment possible. It's the engine of the AI revolution and the cornerstone of our AI-generated portfolio. As the world becomes more digital and automated, Nvidia's role only grows. That's why it's our foundational pick. The AI is thinking like a true long-term investor, buying a piece of the future, not just a hot stock. Investing in Nvidia means investing in the accelerating digital economy. It's a bold start, but one rooted in data and vision. That's why Nvidia leads our portfolio. Next up, ChatGPT picks Amazon, a tech titan that brings both stability and growth. Amazon's e-commerce business is still expanding, optimizing logistics and deepening customer loyalty. But the real gem is Amazon Web Services, or AWS, the world's leading cloud platform and a profit powerhouse. AWS funds innovation across Amazon, from logistics to AI-driven recommendations and Alexa. Amazon's flywheel effect, data from retail, profits from AWS, keeps spinning faster. Beyond e-commerce and cloud, Amazon is growing in advertising, healthcare, groceries, entertainment, and even satellite internet. The AI sees a company unafraid to bet big on the future with the resources to win. After years of heavy investment, Amazon's profitability is set to surge. ChatGPT likely sees Amazon as undervalued relative to its long-term earnings power. It's a way to bet on the digital economy's growth with less volatility than pure tech plays. Adding Amazon balances our portfolio, pairing Nvidia's high growth with a diversified, cash-rich giant. This isn't just about online shopping. It's a bet on cloud, digital ads, AI logistics, and a proven management team. For our $1,000 challenge, Amazon is a powerful, reliable engine for long-term growth. The AI knows it's built to last. Amazon is the empire that keeps expanding. It's a smart, stabilizing pick, and it's essential for our journey to $10,000. For the third pick, ChatGPT gets specialized with CrowdStrike, a leader in cybersecurity. As our world gets more digital, protecting data is critical. Cybersecurity is now a business necessity. CrowdStrike's Falcon platform is built for the cloud era, lightweight, scalable, and powered by AI. Its threat graph analyzes global data in real time, learning to stop threats before they strike. The more customers CrowdStrike has, the smarter its AI gets, a powerful network effect. Their SaaS model means predictable, recurring revenue and high customer retention. Upselling new features keeps growth strong. ChatGPT recognizes the rising risk of cyber attacks and the need for best-in-class protection. CrowdStrike is a pure play on a market with a massive runway. While Nvidia builds the engines and Amazon runs the empire, CrowdStrike protects it all. It's a crucial, resilient piece of the tech stack. This pick diversifies us into a less cyclical, necessity-driven sector. Businesses need cybersecurity in any economy. CrowdStrike's leadership and AI edge make it a perfect fit for our growth portfolio. The AI isn't just picking big names, it's finding leaders in critical niches. CrowdStrike adds resilience and strategic strength. It's a smart, forward-thinking addition, and it brings us closer to that $10,000 goal. For its fourth pick, ChatGPT goes global with MercadoLibre, the Amazon and PayPal of Latin America. MercadoLibre dominates e-commerce in a region with 650 million people and huge digital growth ahead. As more people get online, MercadoLibre is the default platform, building deep trust and brand loyalty. But the real magic is Mercado Pago, their fintech arm, now a full financial ecosystem for millions. This creates a powerful flywheel. More shoppers mean more fintech users and vice versa. Their logistics network, Mercado Envios, solves delivery challenges and strengthens their moat. ChatGPT's pick shows it's thinking beyond the US, finding growth in emerging markets. Latin America's digital revolution is just beginning, offering immense upside. MercadoLibre is like investing in early Amazon or PayPal. The risks, currency swings, political instability are real, but the reward is huge. The AI is betting on long-term demographic and economic trends. MercadoLibre is the undisputed leader with multiple growth engines and visionary management. This pick adds geographic diversification and exposure to a booming market. MercadoLibre's track record and position make it a potential multi-bagger. Now our portfolio covers US tech, cybersecurity, and emerging market e-commerce and fintech. It's a sophisticated global move. MercadoLibre adds a powerful new dimension, and it strengthens our quest for $10,000. The final pick, The Trade Desk, at the forefront of digital advertising. Unlike Google or Meta, The Trade Desk is a demand-side platform, helping brands buy ads across the open internet. Their AI, Koa, analyzes trillions of ad opportunities daily, optimizing campaigns in real time. As TV shifts to streaming, The Trade Desk leads in connected TV ads, a market exploding in growth. They champion privacy-first solutions, like Unified ID 2.0, making them a trusted partner for the future. The global ad market is nearly $1 trillion, and most of it is still offline. As money shifts to digital, The Trade Desk's opportunity is enormous. Their high-margin, sticky business benefits from network effects. The more users, the smarter the platform. This pick completes our portfolio: hardware, platforms, security, emerging markets, and now ad tech innovation. Each company is a leader, powered by or benefiting from AI. The Trade Desk shows ChatGPT can spot key enablers of industry shifts, not just the obvious giants. The future of media is digital and programmatic, and the Trade Desk is at the center. It's a brilliant final piece. Our AI-guided journey to $10,000 is now fully equipped. The Trade Desk is the capstone. There you have it, a 5-stock portfolio handpicked by ChatGPT, aiming to turn $1,000 into $10,000. Nvidia, Amazon, CrowdStrike, MercadoLibre, and the Trade Desk, each a leader, each a growth engine. This experiment shows AI can help identify high-quality companies aligned with long-term trends. The key focus on quality, innovation, and a long-term mindset. If you enjoyed this, check out our other videos for more AI-picked stocks and investing strategies. Thanks for watching, and remember, the best time to invest was yesterday. The second best time is today.